All right, friends, this is lesson 3 practice. So you're going to grab one of these pieces of paper, and it's very important that you listen to these directions first before you get started, because I know sometimes this causes some issues or some drama. We don't want any of that. So Miss Willis is going to show you just like I normally do, except for it's going to be, I'm going to show you the highlighted parts. Okay, so you're going to have this page, and you're going to take your scissors and you're going to carefully cut out around the outside. You're not going to cut through the picture at all. You're just going to cut out around the outside. Okay, that's your first step. The next step is you're going to see these dotted lines. You're going to cut and you're going to stop when you get to that line. So you're going to have 4 flaps on each side. Each one of these should be able to lift on their own whenever you count or you cut them. Okay, so you're going to cut in those areas. Okay, then you're going to, on the back of this part, you're going to put glue on the back so that still these parts are little flaps that you're able to lift up and do work under. Okay, all right, so that's how you're going to put it, and you can pick any color construction paper. I'll have a couple of choices for you, but when you're done, this is what you're going to do. So here is, we have 8. I'm going to do one with you. We're going to do this one for 43 cents, okay? So remember earlier I said whenever you are writing down your coins, you don't have to draw the face because that's hard. You're just going to draw the value of that coin in there. It doesn't really have to be to scale, but you want to try your best. So this one's going to be 43 cents. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. One's the easy way, and one is a little bit more difficult, where you can stretch your brain if you're wanting to challenge yourself. So this first one is, I know I have, let me change my color. I know I have 4 10s and 3 1s. All right, so now I'm thinking, all right, Miss Willis, I know that a dime is worth 10 cents. So I said I had 4 of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then I have 3 1s. So I have 1, 2, 3. All right, I have represented 43 cents. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, so that is the easy way to do it, that you can apply to just about any of these coins. However, I would like for you to challenge yourself as well. So here I have 43, okay? Remember, when you're counting coins, you always start with the largest. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm working with quarters. Can I fit a quarter into 43? Well, of course I can, because in a quarter, there is a 2 in the tens place, a 5 in the ones place. All right, so I know I can add a quarter. But if I add another quarter, I know 25 plus 25 is 50, so that's too much. So I'm not going to add another quarter. All right, what's the next value that I can add? All right, so dimes are the next one. And let's see, can I add 10? Sure, because I only have a 2 in the tens place, okay? So now I have a 3 in the tens place. Can I add another dime? Well, even though our tens place is a 4, it would make the ones place a 5. And remember, I'm working with a 3. So I can't add another 10 or another dime. All right, now I'm going to look at my next value. So right now I have 35. Now I'm going to add a nickel, because that's my next value down, okay? I know 35, and if I added 5 would be 40. So I've succeeded in finding my 4 10s. Now I just need to find my ones. I know, just like I did up here, my pennies are going to do well for me whenever I'm needing ones. So I can add 3 more ones. So for 43 cents, I could either have 4 dimes and 3 pennies, or I could have a quarter, a dime, a nickel, and 3 pennies. All right, guys, you're going to represent all of these underneath each flap, and then turn into the practice bed. All right.